Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to enable MMS messaging on iPhone. So I will just teach you manually, okay? So just follow along. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open your phone's settings. Tap on messages. It should be about halfway down to the column that starts with passwords and accounts. And then scroll down to the column with the heading SMS/MMS, and if necessary, tap on MMS messaging to turn the toggle green. And from there, you just turn on your MMS messaging. That's how easy it is. But I am going to show you also in how to turn off iMessages to send only MMS or SMS. Again, this will cut down on data usage and requirement, though it will add to your cellular text usage. So to do this, just open your phone settings, tap on messages. It should be about halfway down the column that starts with password and accounts. Now tap on iMessage to so that the green toggle goes to gray. So this one with the red arrow, it should be look like this. And that's it. That's how you can enable MMS messaging on iPhone. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.